Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the starter set parts and assigning roles. You need a dungeon master and players now. Open the adventure and locate the first chapter. This is your session spine. Once done, distribute pre-generated sheets or begin quick character creation. Explain core mechanics, D20 checks, advantage, and basic combat flow. Make sure dice and tokens are organized on the table so turns move smoothly, and you can launch into the first encounter without delay. You begin the session by reading the adventure intro and describing the first room. This sets tone and player expectations. Once players decide actions, call for relevant skill checks and explain why a particular role matters for the scene. When combat starts, run initiative, narrate enemy moves, and keep turns tight. Remind players of reaction and bonus action timing. Make sure to pause for clarifying rules. This prevents confusion and keeps the pacing steady through the middle of the adventure. You wrap the session by resolving the encounter, distributing loot, and updating XP and HP. Explain why rewards matter for player investment. Once done, recap key consequences and set a clear hook for the next session so momentum carries forward. If players bog down or rules disputes arise, simplify the challenge or offer an NPC hint to maintain flow. This keeps fun primary. Make sure to record what worked and what to adjust so future sessions improve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.